Hi everyone. In this video, I want to show you how Claude AI made detailed exam notes for me with just one prompt. Now, I had an exam coming up in a few days, and when I say I had studied nothing, I mean absolutely nothing, not one page. My preparation level was basically I'll start tomorrow, repeated for several weeks. So naturally, I started looking for notes. I asked my friends, no notes. I checked the class groups. No notes. I found out that our teacher hadn't even shared any slides or study material. At that point, my academic career was hanging by a thread. The only thing I had was a PDF version of a huge textbook, 467 pages long. And remember, the exam was only a few days away. So with no notes, no helpful friends, and no motivation to read 467 pages, I decided to give Claude AI one chance. I uploaded the book PDF. You can upload almost anything: PDFs, slides, messy handwritten notes, screenshots, images, and more. Then I gave Claude this prompt. I have an exam in business research methods. My syllabus includes chapters 4, 5, 10, 11, and 12. Create detailed notes only for these chapters from the PDF I uploaded. You can even ask Claude to write the perfect note-taking prompt for you first and customize it however you want. Honestly, I wasn't expecting much. I thought Claude would give me some error message like, sorry, this file is too large, or I can't process that request, or my personal favorite, I apologize, but instead, it actually started working. Claude first explained the steps it was taking, then it identified the topics from my syllabus chapters, then it organized everything into neat bullet points, and at the end, there was a Word document. I clicked on it, and wow, it had created 19 pages of detailed notes with beautiful formatting, colored headings, clear explanations, and accurate information from the book. It even included exam tips throughout the notes. Like Claude suddenly became that one smart classmate who actually studies and shares notes before exams. And at the end, there was a quick revision summary for last-minute preparation. But wait, it gets even better. The very last thing it wrote was, "Good luck for your exam." I don't know why, but after being abandoned by my friends, that felt surprisingly wholesome. Then I asked Claude, make these notes shorter. A few moments later, it generated a shorter version of the notes as another Word document. So now I had detailed notes and revision notes. Honestly, as a student, this saved me a lot of time, and that's why I wanted to share it with all of you. And it's not just useful for studies. You can use the same method for meeting notes, research reports, training materials, books, presentations, project documentation, and pretty much any kind of note-taking. For more Claude AI tutorials, watch my other videos. Thanks for watching and subscribe.